What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to explain Spacedesk Driver Console. So the Spacedesk Driver Console is the core software component that runs on a Windows PC, the primary machine, and enables it to share its display over a network connection with other devices such as tablets, smartphones, laptops, and even another PC. It's essentially the engine behind Spacedesk's second display capability, turning almost any compatible device into an extra monitor. The Spacedesk Driver Console creates a network display server, streams your Windows desktop to client devices and handles connections from multiple devices, and also lets you adjust resolution, performance, and display preferences. It works over Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB tethering. It has an easy setup, which is the installation is straightforward. After installing the driver, your PC advertises itself to clients, and clients connect automatically if they're on the same network, ideal for non-technical users. You can connect your iPhones, tablets, or Windows Linux devices. They become extended or mirrored displays. In the driver console, you can view connected devices, adjust screen resolution, and choose extended versus clone display. It turns any device into a second screen, works with phones, tablets, and PCs, and easy to configure. It supports multiple displays simultaneously, and USB tethering support improves stability. But on the other hand, there is no official support for macOS as a server, and performance varies with network. Also, there are occasional dropped frames on weak Wi-Fi, and advanced settings are limited compared to professional virtual display tools. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.